Hi everyone. So Qualitas has just arrived at our client's factory in Germany. Today is a very exciting day as we're implementing our quality processes for the first time. So I just want to give you 3 tips for a successful quality implementation if you're implementing in your factory or site for the first time, or you're just updating your quality processes. Tip 1. Keep it simple. Create the processes or procedures that you need to control your product and your customer service, not to create unnecessary paperwork. Tip number 2. Change can often be overwhelming, especially for site and factory teams that may have been doing works in the same way for a long period of time. Just remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, so approach it step by step, break it down into small chunks and go through each process with them. Train them and make sure that they feel comfortable before you walk away. And tip number 3, your quality system is based on your own company processes and procedures. It's not there, as we said earlier, to create unnecessary documentation. If something's not working, change it. If a form doesn't reflect your process in the factory, then you can make alterations to it to make sure it works. This is the testing phase. So now we're going to go into the factory and see how they're getting on. If you like this video, please give us a like or follow us at Qualitas. Thank you.